Fake unknown gunmen arrested. Catalonia shock Biafras as they still keep history of Biafra players. No be small thing, no, things are happening. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And no forget to give us a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important, as our Facebook don't they misbehave now. That's why we dey chat. May we go to YouTube, so follow us over there so that you go get our update back to back. No be small, no. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. As we upload them, be the first person go get them. No be small thing. They say things are happening. Let's go and look into the ogbonge news where we get for hand today. Okay, let's look into the fake unknown gunman that was apprehended by the police, and I want you to watch the video from beginning to end and hear everything we talk for that video. So may you watch the video.
Okay, you say, what is your name? You said Idokoluchi. What did you do before you were brought to this place?
I call person and tell and say I'm on government. I'm making sure money for me.
How much have you collected from it? Look at me. How much have you collected from it?
100,000.
No, is it only once, or how many times have you collected the 100,000?
130,000 for the two.
For the two. So at last, how were you arrested? Sit well now, be watching me.
How they take arrest you?
How they take arrest you? And how the thing take happen when the thing come cast today now?
Then come find the person where they build money for the account. The person come.
Sit well now. Which one be this now? Why are you disturbing yourself? Your hand. Okay, sit down well now. Your hand do it now. If you are doing like that, you will not be able to. We'll package you.
How?
Sit down well and talk to me. Come on.
The person come talk say na me carry out your own account number. Send for me. Make the person put the money.
That is how you were arrested.
Yes, sir.
But you told the person say you be ESN.
No.
You say, what did you tell the person?
I just tell her say I work for the man, make him pay the money.
When did you talk now? You said something
What
earlier.
thing you talk before? What thing you do when they carry you come here?
I say I'm on government, sir.
Oh, no, go man. So now you can't collect money from the man.
Yes, sir. Me and this guy.
You and this guy. Okay, you. What is your name? Your name is what? Ikwebuchi Ome. Ikwebuchi Ome. From where?
From Ogene.
Ogene. Umuida. Okay, what did you do before you were brought to this place? Which trouble were you put you? Why would you say that now? Are you not the one sharing this thing with him, or is it because you are here now you are telling me that you are not part of the business? Is it not the two of you that went there before you were arrested? You said to tell me the truth. Come on. Tell us why we were brought to this place. Okay, which one you be?
Me and I work I do.
But you
Which
know
one?
him, you know this man.
I know, I work one place.
Okay. Oh boy, sit well. Oh, the guy down there deny you, say now only you they do the thing. Get to sit down well now, make you see you well now. Oh yeah, come, only you go carry yourself. You say what? Why are you denying? Eh? You know they deny. Why are you saying this? You say you and him are.
Oh, guy name.
My guy name. My guy name is them. So they call me. Is them name.
What be this man guy name?
Now you don't come with you.
Ndakomiri. Ndakomiri.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are from where? I don't say anywhere is Gina. Which part? Okay, Umida. Okay, all right.
So my wonderful people, you are welcome back. As I've watched that video and see how these guys are spoiling the good work which the people who are doing the best thing to make sure that their people are okay, and see how they are extorting money from our people, claiming they are unknown gunmen. Things are really happening. That nonsense have to stop in Biafra land. Okay, my people, Go ahead, go look into that. They concern the Catalonians who still keep the history of Biafra players. I want to play the video for you so that you hear everything from beginning to end from them, how they keep this history all this while, and how they took a stone from Biafra and keep there in remembrance of what happened. It's just a stone for them to remember and for them to keep the memory by themselves. Okay, maybe watch the video.
They're supposed to do this stone. Yeah. When they couldn't get the type of stone they want.
This place now, eh?
Yes.
This is where the players gather.
Okay.
Before they go to a game. And this place, they have what is called a kiosk. Kiosk where they sell newspapers. So it's just like when you want to go together. So you see people sitting here around this kiosk, waiting before they move for their game. So this place is it's a monumental place, never to forget. So that is why they are putting this in. They wanted a stone from our place. We tried, it was so difficult because they needed something that would last for ages. So they ended up, but there is a stone that is from Biafra land. It's under this small stone. That's under is from Biafra land. It's under this. So what you see is like a kiosk where they said it. This figura is what's it called?
Ikenga. Oh yeah. That's true. That's Ikenga kind of. Yeah.
So this is the flag. This is 50 years anniversary. Ncheta for Irise. This is 50th anniversary of Biafra FC.
In Igbo language.
Also in Igbo.
Y esto es la forma que tenía el periódico.
Kiosque de Pere. Yeah, that is the kiosk of the periódico.
The newspaper.
From 1969 to 1978, they were. This is where you see. This is their logo. This is their Biafra badge. You see it on their
Una
chest.
pelota y esto es un campo de fútbol, ¿ves?
Yeah.
Una tonterías.
Yeah. So you feel that the design is like a field.
Oh, the pitch, yeah. The pitch. Oh, yeah. Actually, yeah. The pitch, yeah. And this monument was installed here this day, December. And so there's a piece of Biafran stone under this. Initially, they wanted to do the whole big stone, yeah. The big stone, but we couldn't get it.
Lo más importante
Couldn't get the dimension, thickness.
This is it. So that's a piece of stone. The most important thing for them is this stone.
Which is the bond between the Catalonia.
But isn't it ironic that there is no hailstone to remember Biafrans who died in our own land?
In our own land.
This is a big shame. It's a big shame, you know.
What this map, this African map. So what they put there, this is Biafra. They put a point there for you to know exactly where the Biafra. You can find Biafra in the map. So if I told you are looking for a map, you can't find it.
El kiosco este hacía esto así.
So this kiosk was just, this is exactly the center where the kiosk is.
Tenía esta forma.
And this is the way it is the
Form of the kiosk.
So
Wow.
you have to.
When this was inaugurated, the mayor of the city was present.
Was here.
When during the inauguration, the mayor of the city and IPUB were present. That was in December 2020.
Ahora, al final de año, estamos preparando un libro.
Okay. Like now, at the end of this year, they are preparing a book. They wrote a book regarding this history. And around December, the book will be launched. I believe that they're also inviting us. Of course, we have something we're going to present to them as well.
In catalán.
Yeah. They have the book in Catalan and Igbo language.
Wow.
Translated. They are translated in Igbo.
Ihe akwụ ihe to our people.
It's a very big shame. It's a big shame.
A big.
We thank God for Nnamdi Kanu, because if not for
Nnamdi Kanu, this.
we have been able to achieve all this. Nnamdi Kanu
We are
a great leader.
You can imagine at the age as old as he is, since 16 years, at the age of 16, he started this project. He said that his men very good to see Biafra. From the Biafra will restore his time.
Esta es la plaza más importante del pueblo.
This is an important
square.
Yeah. This city, this village. This is a village.
This is also where they do that. They are at
Okay.
See there.
Máximo 10 pisos.
More, the longest is 10 stories. 10
stories. 10 people.
10 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. That.
Woo.
Yeah. 10.
Yes,
No. Yeah. Completely is 4 through 6. Like I went up to 4, 5. I think that's 4, 5. I didn't 4, 5. But
Yeah.
the code is 10. Because Ibiza and they totally filled up, so they
build the edifice.
Para hacer uno de 10 pisos necesitamos 500 personas.
Oh, to build the 10 stories at your level, they need 500 people.
need 500 people
To get the base.
Build it from there. That is unity.
Si se cae,
So that if they fall, they cannot fall on the ground. Fall on
Good. Then, Sir Ramon, Parana, what is going to Cristo? What's on the Mateka?
I was saying Mateka. Oh, you feel it?
You didn't know that we should touch it.
this thing.
History. Kumake. Kumake.
esta torre. Es la más alta de Cataluña.
The most tallest cathedral.
Representa toda la ciudad de Valladolid.
It's the logo. Emblem, yeah.
So they recognize it with
The Biafran.
Biafra district.
Our elders, Amam Haga when they're Daniel.
Tienen que seguir.
Far away in Europe. People are still holding on and hoping, praying that Biafra will come. And then they will not photograph.
Hello my people, as you have watched that video, what do you think? And I want you to share this video. It's a lesson video to our people so that they will learn, and everybody who are still sleeping will wake up and know that what we are fighting is just fight, and that ideology which no one can be killed. So we hope that one day definitely Biafra will come. So I want you to share this video and leave your own opinion in this video. What do you think about this video? And what do you have to tell those fake unknown government using unknown UGM? And as you have watched the video, please share it. Other people need to see it. And also share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, very, very important. And also follow our page. You understand? Okay, see you in the next video.